Hello kids, welcome to another exciting learning adventure. Today we are going to learn about natural disasters. Natural disasters are powerful events that happen in nature. Some disasters bring strong winds, shaking grounds, heavy rain or giant waves. Are you ready to explore amazing facts about Earth's powerful forces? Let's start! Volcanoes. A volcano is a mountain that can erupt hot lava, ash, and smoke from deep inside Earth. Some volcanoes sleep for many years before erupting. When lava cools down, it turns into rock and helps create new land. Amazing fact: the hottest lava can be over 1000 degrees Celsius. Safety tip: stay far away from volcano areas during eruption. Earthquakes. Earthquakes happen when giant pieces of earth called tectonic plates suddenly move. The ground shakes, buildings may move, and objects can fall. Some earthquakes are small, while others are very strong. Amazing fact: thousands of earthquakes happen around the world every day. Safety tip: during an earthquake, drop, cover, and hold on. Tornadoes. A tornado is a fast spinning column of air that stretches from cloud to the ground. Tornadoes can move very quickly and damage buildings and trees. They often look giant spinning funnels. Amazing fact: tornado winds can spin faster than race cars. Safety tip: go to a safe basement or strong indoor room. Tsunamis. A tsunami is a giant ocean wave, usually caused by underwater earthquake or volcanic eruptions. Tsunami waves can travel across ocean very fast. Amazing fact: some tsunami waves move as fast as airplane. Safety tip: move to higher ground if there is a tsunami warning. Floods. Floods happen when too much rain causes water to cover land that is normally dry. Floods can happen near rivers, lakes, or cities. Heavy rain and storm often cause flooding. Amazing fact: floodwater can move cars and large objects. Safety tip: never walk or drive through floodwater. Hurricanes. Hurricanes are giant storms that form over warm ocean. They bring strong winds, heavy rain, and dangerous waves. Different countries may call hurricanes by different names, like cyclone or typhoons. Amazing fact: Hurricanes can be wider than entire countries. Safety tip: stay indoor and away from window during hurricanes. Blizzards. A blizzard is a powerful snowstorm with strong winds and heavy snowfall. Blizzards can make it difficult to see or travel. Amazing fact: blizzards can create huge snow drifts taller than people. Safety tip: wear warm clothes and stay indoor during blizzards. Wildfires. Wildfires are large fires that spread quickly through forest, grassland, or dry areas. Hot weather and dry plants can make wildfires worse. Sometimes lightning can start wildfires naturally. Amazing fact: some trees need heat from fire to open their seeds. Safety tip: follow evacuation instruction and stay away from smoke. Drought. A drought happens when an area gets very little rain for a long time. During droughts, river, lakes, and plants may dry up. Farmers and animals can have trouble finding water. Amazing fact: some droughts can last for years. Safety tip: save water whenever possible. Landslides. Landslides happen when rocks, mud, and soil slide down hills or mountains. Heavy rain or earthquakes can cause landslides. Amazing fact: landslides can move as fast as a racing bicycle. Safety tip: stay away from steep hills during heavy rain. Thunderstorms. Thunderstorms bring rain, thunder, lightning, and sometimes hail. Lightning is a giant spark of electricity in the sky. Amazing fact: lightning is hotter than the surface of the sun. Safety tip: stay indoor during thunderstorm. Avalanches. An avalanche happens when large amount of snow suddenly slide down mountains. Avalanche can move very fast. Amazing fact: avalanches can move faster than a car. Safety tip: avoid snowy mountain areas during avalanche warning. Earth helps create weather. The sun heats Earth unevenly, creating different kinds of weather. This causes wind, clouds, rain, and storms to form. Ocean and mountain also affect weather in many places. Amazing fact: Earth atmosphere protects us from dangerous space objects. Scientists study disaster. Scientists use satellite, computer, and weather tools to study storms, earthquakes, and volcanoes. They collect information to understand how disasters happen. Their warning help keep people safe during dangerous situations. Amazing fact: satellites can see storms from space. Emergency kits save lives. Families often prepare emergency kit with water, food, flashlights, first aid kits, radios. Emergency kits help people during disasters. Amazing fact: being prepared can help families stay calm and safe. Nature can recover. After disasters, nature slowly heals again. Trees regrow, animals return, and people rebuild homes and cities. Amazing fact: some forests become stronger after fires. Learning safety is important. Knowing what to do during disaster can help save lives. School often practice emergency drill to stay prepared. Amazing fact: practice drill help people react faster during emergencies. Ocean storms are powerful. Big ocean storms can create giant waves and strong winds. Warm ocean water helps storms grow stronger. Amazing fact: some storm clouds reach higher than airplanes. Earth is always changing. Mountain, rivers, volcanoes, and ocean change slowly over time. Earth is active and constantly moving. Amazing fact: continents slowly move every year. Nature is powerful and amazing. Natural disaster can be dangerous, but Earth is also beautiful and amazing. Learning about nature helps us understand and respect our planet. Huge ocean, tall mountains, and deep forests show Earth's great power. Plants, animal, and human all depend on nature to survive every day. Protect nature helps keep our planet healthy and beautiful. Amazing fact: Earth is the only known planet with life. Well done, kids, you're doing great. Let's revise again. Volcano, hot lava mountain, earthquake shaking ground, tornado, spinning wind, tsunami, giant ocean wave, flood, too much water, hurricane, big ocean storm, blizzard, heavy snowstorm, wildfire, forest fire, drought, no rain for long time, landslide, rock sliding down. Thunderstorm, thunder and lightning, avalanche, falling snow, sun creates weather, satellites watch storm from space, emergency kit, safety supplies, nature can recover again, safety drill, help us stay prepared, ocean storm, strong wind and waves, earth always changing, nature powerful and amazing. Well done, kids, you're doing great. Today we learn about volcanoes, tornadoes, tsunami, thunderstorm, wildfires, and many more natural disasters. Learning about nature helps us stay smart, safe, and prepared. Great job, kids. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe for more fun learning videos. Till then, bye.